Tired of juggling separate platforms for your online presence? Let's streamline your business by moving your Squarespace domain to Shopify in under 2 minutes. First, log into your Squarespace account, navigate to your website settings, then find the Domains section here. You'll want to locate your domain name. Inside your domain settings, look for an option like Privacy and Transfer, or Transfer Domain before you can move it. Squarespace requires you to unlock your domain and obtain an authorization code. Click on the option to unlock your domain. You'll likely need to confirm your identity. Once unlocked, you'll find your authorization code. This is like a key for your move. Keep this code handy. You'll need it soon. Now, switch gears and log into your Shopify admin in the search bar or navigation menu. Find the Settings section, and then select Domains. On the Shopify Domains page, you'll see options to buy a new domain instead. Click on Connect Existing Domain. This is where the magic happens. Shopify will prompt you to enter your domain name. Type it in exactly as it appears then. It will ask for that authorization code you got from Squarespace. Paste it in accurately. Follow the on-screen prompts for verification. Shopify will guide you through the final steps. It's important to note that domain transfers can take a few days to fully complete, so be patient. Once the transfer is complete, your domain will be managed entirely within Shopify, making it much easier to manage your online assets and your e-commerce store from one central hub. Congratulations! You've successfully moved your domain.